Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing a Revive Essential Oils haul. I just placed a personal order. Ooh, we're shaky. I've been working with Revive and making videos for them to use on their social media accounts. So sometimes my haul will be like things that I'm going to make DIYs for videos, but this box is primarily just things that we need around our house that we use already, or there's a couple of new things that I'm really excited about. Next, I have essential oil courses. They're more like guides. It's like a 20-page or whatever PDF on a specific topic and how to use essential oils and everything you need to know about it. So for allergies, for dogs, for hormones, just a few down linked in my stand store, so I'm going to put that down below. Thank you in advance for helping support my channel in that way and just learning more about essential oils. I love when you guys want to learn more because that's what I love and that's what I love sharing. But this is my Revive order. It's a heavy one today. I'm gonna see if we can fit her up here. I just went on to get like laundry stuff and restock on things, but I saw that they had a new hand soap and I think I still have it up here. I do not have it up here anymore, but there is a blend called Summer of Love and it is the best summer diffuser blend I've ever smelled. It smells amazing. It's a blend of a bunch of different oils, obviously. And ooh, this one kind of got a little leaky. Oh, it smells so good. So I saw they had foaming hand soaps, Summer of Love foaming hand soap. So I got a bunch of these. These would be great gifts. It's already past that, but teacher gifts, any kind of gift, add it to your wedding gift if you're going to weddings this summer. But this is a blend of bergamot, let's see, sweet orange, bergamot, grapefruit, Douglas fir, Roman chamomile, osmanthus, vanilla. Vanilla always elevates a blend, and then it has just aloe vera and all different things. But I'm really excited about these. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. And when you run out, you can just use an unscented Castile soap and put the Summer of Love or whatever essential oil blend you want in here and make your own soap too. It makes it super easy. And you're reusing the plastic because these are plastic containers. So always try to reuse. Try not to use single-use plastics. That's just a little tip on that. Oh, I know the other thing I was trying to think of. My link for Revive is always down below. If you are going to make a purchase from them, make sure you click on my link each time. Don't just like save the link or the link and then save things in your cart. There is like 30-day, I think it's 30, it might even be less, 14-day cookie thing. So if you click my link and then don't purchase right away and then do it later, I don't get credit. Just an FYI. But so just make sure you click my link each time you go to shop. Okay, next I got a deodorant, and I don't think I've gotten their deodorants before. So I am trying the citrus and chamomile one. They do have a few different scents and they have a new one, but this is actually, it looks, yes, I have. I think they relabeled or something, but it just looks so different. But I got a different scent. I think I had. This smells so good. Actually, I think they just relabeled and I got confused because I use so many different things, but I do like, oh my gosh, this smells so good. So this is a blend of wild orange, grapefruit, lavender, Roman chamomile, magnolia, which I'm doing a video on soon, all about magnolia essential oil. And it just smells so sweet and citrusy, very, very good for summertime, and I really like their deodorant. So Immunity Boost is their version of Thieves, and so if you are not already a Revive person, they have a page where you can look at all of the comparisons to Young Living and doTERRA and get their comparable options. So it's the same exact essential oils, Immunity Boost, but this is their washing machine cleaner tablets. And then it says which ones they work with, which is all the main ones. A 10-month supply. I'll put the price here and link everything down below. But I'm really excited. I do not wash my washing machine, and I hate cleaning things that you use to clean things. I hate cleaning the vacuum, the dishwasher, the disposal, the sink, all of those things. I hate cleaning, but this just makes it easier. Whoops, so these are little tablets. I'm assuming you just throw in and put it on the cleaning cycle. It says open the packet, place one inside the empty washer drum. Do not put in the dispensing tray. Run washing machine cleaning cycle if you have one. If not, just run a regular with hot water. And then once it's complete, pull back the rubber door seal and wipe down. So you still have to wipe some stuff, but it makes it easier. And that smells really good. It's the, if you Thieves, it smells like that. And then lastly, I got laundry stuff, and I haven't tried theirs yet, so I'm excited. Liked Young Living's. I used to use the Thieves laundry detergent, but as you know, we don't use them anymore, and this is so much cheaper. Again, I'll put the price here too. I'm just gonna give it a quick smell test. It looks just like the Thieves. So no synthetic fragrance. This is identical, exact, just like the one from Young Living. All of Revive's products are clean and they don't use crap you don't need. Laundry detergent is important to us because you're wearing your clothes every single day. You're washing your sheets, your towels, everything. Ooh, it smells a little bit sweeter just right off the bat, but it smells like Thieves and it looks like it. I will let you guys know how it works. I have high hopes. We're not super picky. We have a good washing machine, and we also use Molly's Suds Booster too. So I can try to link that down below too. I don't think I ever have, and let me know if you want me to do, once I use this and see how it works, it might just be a new normal part of our routine. And let me know if you want me to do an updated laundry video or cleaning video, because we do have their cleaning concentrate and it's so good, just as good as the Thieves one. So I have been using that. I think I forgot to update you guys on that, but I will make a short or a reel for that too. And what I love about it is everything is just so much cheaper, and they share all of their test results. And I think Young Living is doing that now too, which go Young Living, that's great. Should have been doing that this whole time. But I love a transparent, good company. That was so hard to get off. This is the fabric softener, and I don't know if Young Living has a fabric softener, because when I was a member, I was just using the vinegar. Oh. So it's gonna boost your scent a lot more too. So it says 20 milligrams. So Revive bottles are 10 mil. I think all of them, if not the majority of them, are all 10 mil bottles. So with Young Living, you get 5 or 15. So this is kind of in between, but this says 20 mil. So 2 bottles of immunity boost in every bottle of this. So it says a vinegar-based formula. Oh, that's cool. Oops, I keep bumping this. So sorry. Baby and pet safe, no dyes, SLS, vegan and cruelty-free, works with all washers, including HE and conventional, top loaders, front loaders, safe for septic, and safe for hard water. So you're good to use this wherever you are. And then the essential oils in that blend are clove, lemon, cinnamon, eucalyptus, and rosemary. It smells so good. Thieves smells super good. What are the ingredients? So the ingredients are listed here too: water, vinegar, glycerin, baking soda, xanthan gum, and then the essential oils. So pretty minimal ingredient list. Oh, there's a couple at the bottom too: sodium benzoate and potassium sorbate. So in this one, and then, so what does this say? And the same with this one, there's 2 bottles. Immunity Boost, or 20 milliliters of that in each bottle as well. And then directions are pretty self-explanatory. So I will keep you guys updated on how that works for us. That is it for our personal order from Revive. Let me know if you have any questions on Revive or any of the products we tried or anything else. We use so many things by them. Again, the link will be down below to shop Revive. I'm trying to get a coupon code. I thought I had one and I cannot find it, but I'm going to try to find one for you guys so you can shop with a little bit of discount. But thank you guys for watching to the end of this video. I hope you have a great day. Bye. Oh, I was going to say too, what I love about these is the bottle's really cute. It's a foam pump.